The G is finally gonna get some low. Got a set of true coilovers we're gonna be installing. These are max speeding rods, coilovers. What we're gonna do is we're taking out these guys right here. So let's take these boys out. Looks like there's 2 of them. Aha, cool. Let's go. There we go. Got the jack in place. I got a 19 on, that's how I like them. I mean, pause. Okay, that looks great. Don't lose the washer. Don't lose the washer. Don't lose the washer. Oh shit. Now that we got this out, I'm gonna go ahead and undo the strut. Hopefully it just falls out and we're good. Got my sweat juice all over it. If this is your first time doing this, it's mine too. What it was that I kind of shimmied it that way, and then I had it go as far over here as I can. And now I got this part out. So now we just gotta, there we go, pull it out. Oh my God. I'm not trying to flex, but that was my left hand. Also, just in case, Zach, if you're watching this, you're a bit. I told my wife I'd be done with this in 2 hours. Oh man. Okay, so get this guy in there. Oh, that is. This is pretty cool. Let's look at the other side. All right. Oh man, okay. Looks like this is interesting. I thought I'd be more excited, but I'm more nervous than excited because I'm so used to driving on bags. Let's start working on the back. Wait, there we go. So. There we go. This is kind of a pain in the butt to get out, so you got me messed up if you think I'm gonna go back there and take this whole thing off. Like, nah, bro. We're gonna get this out with our feet, bro. I'm about to break a toe, bro. There we go. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, that could have been my toe. Oh, damn. There we go. Ooh, man, it is hot out here, but this is how she's sitting. A lot better than before, which I'm gonna show you guys a little before and after right now of how high it was and how it's looking now. But man, this is so much better. The ride height is perfect for me. I wasn't trying to go slammed or anything, which it could definitely go lower, but this is exactly where I want it, so can't complain. Again, been about a week of driving it. No issues, no complaints yet, at least. Fitment is pretty neat. Definitely gonna swap out the wheels soon. But yeah. Oh man, I'm loving it. The coils feel solid too. Like driving around on turns and stuff, it feels real solid. I love it. Just feels so planted. Did run into an issue though when I was doing the install on the rear struts. The OEM bolts did not fit correctly, so that was frustrating. But we figured it out, and I messaged them, and they were cool people. They gave me a pretty good refund, so I'm not too upset about that because, you know, it's working. So shout out to them for making it right. But yeah, other than that, I'm loving the drive right now. I gotta get in alignment still, but you guys let me know what you think. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's too hot to be out here.